Good evening, this is Jan from the city of Bangkok, Thailand. Now right between the busy streets, Khao Road and Soiran Butri, which is a nice little restaurant, Israeli restaurant, Shoshana. I got everything on my plate. I will start with the Schnitzel, which is of course thinly sliced meat. In this case it's chicken, breadcrumbs around it, so I'm going to try it without sauce. Tender meat, I'm going to try this with what I believe is coriander sauce. That sauce is very fresh fruit. There's a coriander, lime. Here I got potato salad.
Thank you. No, it's okay.
Let's try the schnitzel with hummus. Hummus is sauce made from chickpeas. And then of course Shakshuka, a dish which originated in Northern Africa. It's popular all around North Africa, the Middle East, also in Israel of course. You can eat this for breakfast, but also for dinner, like I do now. So there's poached egg in the shakshuka, and the sauce is basically made from tomatoes, peppers, onion, garlic, some spices. Very tasty, very tomato based. Schnitzel, a little bit of garlic sauce. Always nice.
We make a post in the Facebook and the Instagram. Yes, that was very tasty.
And some more shakshuka, poached egg. Creamy, nice in combination with the tomato flavor. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep enjoying your food like I do.